outside, man. Y'all see what's going on. What's up, y'all? It's your boy SRT BUBZ, and I'm back with another banger for y'all, man. Shout out to y'all for clicking on this video. You guys see the thumbnail, you read the title, you know exactly why you're here. Man, these past couple days been hectic. I'm not gonna lie, a lot been going on. I've been trying my best to record everything, but I haven't been able to fully record whole videos. I'm not doing outros. I'm only recording just bits and pieces of what I actually wanted to, and wasn't really getting everything that I was trying to get out. So I'm about to just put a big old, this is gonna be like I said, you guys read the title, this is gonna be a compilation of my last days in the Jeep, y'all. So before I get into this video, go down, hit this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you can notify every single time I post. Got something new coming soon, so let's get to this video. Being here for a minute. A little bit. Taking off the motherfucking catch can. Got Hawk Factor, Yes Meal, my son Bigger. I was around the corner. He said I was racing. See, we got the Hawky out. See, we got the SRTs and track hooks. Taking off the catch can, man. Making my Jeep back stock. She going back stock. So I'm taking off my catch can, giving it to Yes Mill, who got that Jeep right there. So here's his stock. Took his hose off already. His stock hose, I'm about to get that. Cause my Jeep going back stock, y'all. Oh. Gotta be this. Yeah. So my baby bag stock, no more catch can. She about to get gone, man. Shout out my man Hawk Factor.
Yes, sir. He already know.
Always out here, man. Getting it done. Get this shit done and delivered. Yeah, man. Got them toys out. Now he got the can. About to drop it. Finish the water bottle. It's over, y'all. Taking off the Z Automotive Taser. Passing it on to my passing it on to my mans right here. It's time for him to start going crazy.
La Kia abrí.
Abrí.
Tú nada más le das abrí. Suave.
There you go. Abrí.
Abrir. Cerrar, abrir.
Abrir. Cerrar, abrir. Unlock.
Tú le haces un par de morenos por una roja, una azul ahí.
Damn, I ain't got my taser though, boy. Yeah, it's over. The big baby bird is over. Back to stock, man. We're going crazy with the light show over there. Yeah, man. New things coming. Y'all see we got 2 cats right here, man. Double cat up. We outside, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. This is a random Thursday. We outside, random Thursday. Shut the whole lot down. Random Thursday. Go ahead. Niggas outside. Damn, I'ma miss this Jeep, y'all. This might be the last day in the Jeep. Maybe the last day in the Jeep, man. This Jeep all the way spec to a lot of people don't have the tan interior. It's very, very hard to come by. Know I'm driving hard for the last day. I'ma miss this Jeep. You hear that?
Red light camera ahead.
So, just got my mom, and I gotta ask her, Ma, how do you feel about me possibly giving up the Jeep today?
Red light camera ahead.
I'm not feeling it. I don't think I'm feeling it. I'm feeling this. I'm not feeling it. I'm feeling this. Oh boy. Decisions. Wow.
Yeah, so this might be the last hoorah.
Question.
What?
The question is, are you ready? Sacrifice and make the change in your life.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
Drumbeat.
It's hard though. Hard to think about.
Brush your shoulders up.
What'd you say?
I said, ain't no thing. Go get it. Go get it. Brush your shoulders off. Brush your shoulders off. Brush your shoulders off. Just do it. Go get it.
Last wash of my baby. Yeah. Woo. This about to be my last pull in the Jeep, y'all. Alright, y'all, let's go see what they talking about. Police cars and shit.
I don't see your shit in here. They're probably driving it. Yeah, they're probably driving it.
Oh, they took it out, you said?
Yeah, they were looking at it and then they took it out right now.
I bet, fuck it.
They looked at shit quick, bro. They looked at my car in like 5 minutes and wanted to be the disrespectful ass person in my car.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't pay shit, bro. They're trying to come up.
They told me they was gonna give me something alright for it, so
Yeah.
something that I could work with. So again, crazy. I'm gonna have to push this video back. Long story short, they basically said because of the condition that my tires are in, they're gonna take off $2K from my trade. Luckily me, I got a set of brand new tires at the crib, so I'm gonna put those on and get probably like 2.5 added back onto the sale value, to the cash value that they're gonna give me for my car. So I'm gonna go get these tires put on, but they said he's gonna give me 7 days. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna still shop around and I'm gonna try to find the best trade value for my car, or find a higher or I'm gonna try to find a higher buyer for my car.